Welcome back to my channel. From this video today I am going to teach you how to make a perfect butter cake. Let's see what we need to make butter cake. We need 4 large eggs, flour, butter, vanilla, milk, baking powder, sugar. The quantity of the items I have put in the description box. Let's make the cake. First of all, using a parchment paper and prepare your cake pan. Using a strainer and strain your flour and baking powder for 3 times. Add sugar and butter into a bowl. After that, using your hand beater, beat until for 5 minutes to mix your sugar and butter well. After that, add eggs and beat for 5 minutes. After that, add milk and flour into the mixture and mix it well. Mix it well using a spoon. Don't use your hand beater because after. Finally, add your cake mixture into the prepare cake pan and bake it for 40 minutes under 180 centigrades. So make a perfect cake and enjoy. So happy weekend. See you next time.